I found this tin at Dollar General. What's inside? Lost Origin, Darkness Ablaze, and Rebel Clash. So, not bad. You're going to open up some too, huh?
All right, you going to do it?
All right, let's do it.
Crack it open.
Yeah!
All right. Show the camera.
Yep, keep going.
Here, show it up close.
Hold it.
Show it up close. Oh, yeah, the code card. Give that away.
Keep going.
Nice.
Yeah!
Go ahead, Emily.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, I get it!
Mommy's turn.
Woo! I got so many.
You got so many. So many. What are you going to get?
I did it.
Nothing. That's what I'm going to get.
You turn it. See, there you do it. You turn, Mom.
Nope, nothing. All right.
Can we hit something out of the Lost Origin?
Let's see what Daddy gets. Here we go. What's he going to get?
Hey!